Hi YouTubers, welcome back to All Things BMW Boxer. I'm just doing my third part of my GS-911 checking, and one thing I didn't do when I connected up the bike just now, so the GS-911 Wi-Fi is connected to my Windows tablet via the USB cable there. One thing I didn't do is actually to update. I haven't used this GS-911 for a little while, so it's good to actually do an update. So you click on Update, select Update Software now. Then it'll just update any new things, add a few new bikes and such things. It's a fairly painless process. Just takes a couple of minutes to get that sorted out. It's a good thing to actually plug your bike in and browse your bike, as they say, on the GS-911, just to read the various fault codes, things that might have gone wrong in the past, and things which are current problems. And you'll see just now, once you go into the fault checking, that you get some problems which were once-off problems, and it says currently problem, no. And you get things which are persistent problems, and it'll say current problem, yes. The ones that it says yes to, those are more serious issues. So it's good to check your bike and just check out what's going on in the background, something you might not be aware of. Something which happened to me once was my exhaust servo motor flap was jammed, and my GS-911 actually told me that that was a problem. So the exhaust servo motor flap is actually down the bottom of the bike here. Inside the exhaust pipe is actually a butterfly valve, and there's actually a little motor which opens this up as the RPM increase and closes it as the revs decrease. That was actually a problem one time, and it actually identified correctly the problem. I've since actually removed the whole motor assembly, so this butterfly valve was actually in the permanent open position, like a carburetor on full throttle. And there's actually a little tool that you can buy which you plug into the bike's servo motor power outlet, and it tells the computer that all is well. Otherwise, the GS-911 actually throws up continual fault code saying your servo motor flap is faulty, and it has numerous counts of the problem. And this update's almost done now. Yep, done. Alright. So now we can go back into hex code and select the series of bike, R series, R1200 RT. Just to illustrate the problem I was talking about, instrument cluster, read fault codes. My right hand heated grip has failed. Let's put the ignition on first, and it'll tell you that it's a persistent problem. So we'll just do that again. Back. So we were on instrument cluster, read fault codes. Oh, I think I actually cleared the errors there. So I did clear the error on that one there. So if you clear the errors, it doesn't show them anymore. Let's try another one. Let's try engine controller, read fault codes.